What's up, y'all? There's your boy, Rene Ortega. And today, you guys are gonna take a look at a 2500 heavy duty. Let's go take a look at it, shall we? So this right here is a 2016 2500 diesel. It's gonna have the all-terrain wheels, tires right here. And it's gonna be a long bed. Let's go inside, shall we? So this right here is a four-wheel drive LTC. It's gonna have your grayish interior. My name is Rene Ortega. My phone number is 903-440-0941. Y'all can call me. Y'all can send me a text message. Whatever y'all need, we have it right here. Thank you so much. Y'all be safe.